Welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Jill Vlogs. If you are new to my channel, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notification. At dahil Halloween season pa rin ngayon, we will do more Halloween looks. Okay ba yan? Well, I also hope that you have watched my recent Halloween video makeup tutorials and also the face painting with my kids. And I hope you also get to try it at your own homes, especially ngayon na pandemic. Alam natin na hindi tayo makalabas ng bahay for the trick or treat, so why not try it at home? Just check this link, okay? And also, I would like to thank GMA News TV. Big shout out to them for featuring me in the homework yesterday, October 22, for the Halloween DIY or the do-it-yourself segment. So, ayan. So, they featured my 2 Halloween video vlogs. So, thank you very much for that opportunity na ma-feature sa GMA News TV. At thank you din sa mga nakapag-watch noon kagabi. So, for today's video, I will be doing a half skull, half glam look. So, kung nakita nyo kanina sa aking intro, and I also have a guest. So, she's a special guest. Co-makeup artist ko siya since I started doing makeup gigs. So, pagka kailangan ko na extra help na makeup artist, so siya yung tinatawagan ko. At malapit lang kasi siya sa amin. Yeah. So, I'm so very thankful for Miss Charmy Asadon for gracing my vlog for today, na isang sabi ko lang sa kanya, she's so excited and so eager to make this Halloween look and be a part of this vlog. So, later you will see how she did her look. And also, after niya, ako naman. Yeah. So, we are not seeing each other since I don't know when because of the pandemic. But this one brings a bit of a reunion para sa amin ni Charmy. So Charmy?
Hi guys! I'm so grateful na in-invite ako ni Mami Jill ng The Face Valued para sa guest mo na ito. And I hope you like it, yung mga gagawin namin. So, tara!
So first, we need to prep our skin with a toner and then drying it first and then putting on a moisturizer so that our face will be safe and healthy. And then it's time for the foundation in Maybelline Fit Me 128 shade. So I'm putting it all over my face, but actually you can do it just half of your face. Creating a guide for the half face using a white eyeliner. And then I have this white foundation from Shopee. Aside from using the face paint, so I also want to try if this one works better. So I did 3 layers of this. So because I think it's absorbing in my skin, that's why I put 3 layers with topping it with a white eyeshadow, and so that it will be dry. And then I'm now using a black eyeliner to fill in yung black part. And then here is the jawline where we will put our black area. So yung guide natin is our jawline. Yan. So, I need to, feel kung saan yung part na may jaw and yung mga bones. There. And then, for the inner lips, I also fill it with black eyeliner. If you have black gel pomade or the black eyeshadow, you can also use that, or the black face paint. That can also be used for this type of Halloween look. So, I'm lining for the teeth part. So, yan. Meron ding mga accent na ganon to make it look more natural and real. And then, extending the black area with this one and using this black eyeshadow, yung very lightly lang to create an effect na may depth siya. Yan, so I want to brighten the white part. Ito yung teeth yan. And then I'm outlining for the eyeball socket. So yan. And then filling it with the black color. So this one is really hard on my skin dahil nga pencil siya. And now for the other side of the half face glam look. So any kind of makeup na medyo creepy or Halloween ng dating, you can do that. So for this one, I'm using the purple shade na pakatulad ng aking top. Ayan, so just making it a little bit darker than the usual. And then highlighting, blushing, contouring. There. So that one. And the lipstick is from Bilena Cosmetics. And the inner lipstick, or the second shade that I topped it with, is MAC. And then eyelashes and inner corners of the eye with a highlighter. And on the nose and on the chin. Yan. So, my hair. Look. My frizzy and dry hair. And we're done. Thank you very much. If you have reached this final part, thank you very much for staying with me until the end. Hope that you like this video. Give this a thumbs up. Please share this video. And shout out to my dear friends sa lahat naman nakanood kagabi ng GMA News TV sa homework ng aking pag-feature, sa mga nag-message, sa mga nag-shoutout, sa mga nag-comment sa Facebook page ko, sa Mommy Jill Vlogs. Thank you very much sa inyo. And shout out to my dear friends, Joanne Ranieses, Rosella Sarmiento Aquino, at si Sahara Kia. Yan. So, maraming salamat sa inyo for always watching my videos. Please keep on watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Stay safe, everyone, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!